Often when I have a list in a table, I then want to sort the table. For example, I might want to sort this table by item, in an alphabetical order and ascending order, so carpet comes first and wallpaper comes last. Now I run the risk of actually sorting the total row, so I need to separate this row from the rest of the table to do my sort and then join them back together again. I click in front of the T for total and I press the key combination Ctrl-Shift-Enter, which splits the table. I can now click in the top table, and from my ribbon I can go to Table Tools and Layout. What I then have towards the right end is a Sort button. If I click the Sort button, what it does is automatically determine that my list has a header row, and my header row contains the text item, quantity, price, and total. If I then want to sort by item, I can choose it from the list, and I can choose ascending order. When I click OK, it has sorted my table in ascending order by item, with carpet at the top and wallpaper at the bottom. If I then decided actually I wanted to sort by the cheapest price, or the most expensive price, if I go back to my Table Tools Layout tab in the ribbon and go to Sort, I can change to Sort by Price. And this time I might choose Descending Order, which will put my most expensive price at the top, which is effectively $65.99, but then put the other prices in order also, with $15.65 at the bottom. And so I'll go OK. There's my most expensive price at the top and my cheapest price at the bottom. If I wish to sort by item again, I'll go back to the Sort button in my ribbon and change price back to item. And OK. I've just noticed though my item is sorted in descending order because wallpaper's at the top. So I'll go back to the Sort button, make sure I have got item in ascending order. You can actually sort by up to 3 columns. You may notice this here. And I'll choose OK. Ultimately, I want to join these two tables back together into one, so I'll click in between the two tables and press the Delete key to join my table back together. You can easily sort a list just by using the Sort button on the Table Tools Layout tab.